What's going on YouTube, right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the UltFone iOS system repair in order to repair a broken iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch that is no longer powering on properly or it's stuck at the Apple logo and so on. So this program is available here on the ultfone.com, it's iOS system repair.html here, and it's UltFone iOS system repair available for both Windows and macOS. You can toggle from here whether you get it for Windows or for Mac. Both the Windows and a macOS version has the option to one-click enter and exit recovery mode for free. So basically with this you can do a lot of things like reinstall iOS, fix various issues, fix the device in recovery mode or stuck on the Apple logo or widescreen, frozen, disabled and so on. So if your iPhone is in a boot loop or it shows the widescreen or it shows the Apple logo continuously, this one can actually fix it. So let's go ahead and fix the device. I have in here an iPod Touch latest generation, basically iPod Touch 7, that is basically stuck on the Apple logo and a progress bar underneath. I actually left this device do that for a couple of hours and it does nothing. It just doesn't power on. So here's the device. Alright, so this is basically how the device reacts. It doesn't power on much further than this. It shows the Apple logo and a progress bar and that's it. You can see it's not plugged into anything. But yeah, it does that until the battery is completely drained. So the phone cannot boot to the normal screen and we cannot use it normally. Fortunately, the program can actually fix it. So let's go ahead and fix this issue right now. So as you could see, the device is basically stuck in there. Fortunately, the program can actually fix it. And to do this, I'm going to enter the recovery mode because the device is stuck in some sort of hybrid mode. It's not even powered on, but at the same time, it's not in recovery mode or DFU mode. So to make sure that the phone can be discovered properly by the computer, I'm going to go into recovery mode. And now it shows the laptop icon and the power cable, and I'm going to press OK. So with the device now in recovery mode, it's safe for me to go here on iOS system repair, press start, and we have two different methods that we can use. Now do keep in mind that this program is available for iOS 15 as well. So if your device runs iOS 15, this will work. Now on the standard repair, this is basically going to try to update iOS version instead of erase it. So it can fix many of the issues and is the standard repair you should try first. But then of course, if that doesn't work, you can try the deep repair. Now while this one has a bigger chance to work if your device is completely messed up, for example due to a jailbreak that went wrong and stuff like that, this will indeed cause data loss. It will not try to update the iOS version, it will completely erase it and reinstall it, which means that all the data will be removed. The standard method in here will try to basically save your photos and music and so on and just try to update your device to a fresh install of iOS but without removing the data. So if you have important data on that device, this is the method I would try first. So I'm gonna press here standard repair. So after the firmware has been downloaded, we can start the standard repair. So I'm going to start in here, and as you can see it says verifying and analyzing the firmware. Now as you can see, it's basically going to take some time to verify if the firmware is compatible with the device we have, and of course if it is, it's going to be restored with no problem to that device. Now this can take up to 2 or 3 minutes as well, so it says extracting firmware now in here, because basically what the IPSW is, the firmware from the iPhone, is nothing but a zip file containing all the firmware parts of the phone. So of course you need a program that can handle those, that knows where to restore each part. And that's basically iOS system repair. And as you can see, it says now repair now. At this point, this is going to take like 11 minutes or so because this is the real restore. This is where your phone will restart a couple of times and show the progress bar again. And that of course means the device will be restoring. So once it starts restoring, please do not unplug the device. If you unplug it while it does this, it can actually break it further. Now if you accidentally unplug your device, it's still fixable. You can still do the deep repair to restore it, but it's best if you do not do that because things can go wrong. So now you can see it says waiting for the phone, and the phone shows now an Apple logo and a progress bar that is not currently increasing. And now we're basically at the important part, repairing the operating system in here, which will take about 9 minutes or so depending on your device. But yeah, this is going to take some time. The phone still shows the progress bar, but now it increases, and you can check the progress in here as well as on the device. So at this point you don't have to touch the program at all. It's basically going to do everything in the background without any user intervention. So if you don't actually know how to use this program and you need more info than this video provides, there is a support page in here on the page for UltFone iOS system repair. you press support, and if you go in here, it's going to tell you exactly what you need to know. So for example, for iOS system repair, we selected in here, and then how to use, and you can see exactly everything you need to know available in here. For one-click enter recovery, for exiting recovery mode, and so on, and then of course for the restore process without data loss, and of course after that the deep repair. You can also see exactly how to put the device in recovery mode, which is this one here, or DFU mode, which shows a black screen, and so on. So all the info is available in here. Do also keep in mind that they do have a Black Friday Thanksgiving deal in here. It's available from the 5th November to 9th of December, where you can win gift cards and UltFone iOS Data Manager giveaways and so on. So definitely check it out. There seem to be a lot of good prizes in here. And of course, as always, they also have an UltFone iOS system repair discount for $40.95 a year, which is basically down from $170 a year. So that's actually quite great. It's a good price. But all of their tools, the WhatsApp transfer, the activation unlocker, the iOS location changer, all of them are discounted for the 1-year license. Not to mention that they also have a buy one get one free deal in here. So a lot of good deals. Definitely check their website out. Their Black Friday and Thanksgiving deals are actually quite great. So this is still repairing in the background. It's only 50%. So I'm gonna be right back once it finishes. So as you can see, a couple of minutes later, the standard repair completed and it actually succeeded. It says please enter the lock screen passcode after the device restarts. You will see a progress bar showing the device is updating. So I'm gonna press done in here, and yes, at this point we are done. The device should be working, and you can see that it shows connected in here as well. Now I'm gonna open QuickTime to show you exactly what the device shows. Right, so as you can see, it shows the data privacy in here. We press continue. We're basically on the setup screen. So I'm gonna go with passcode option here, don't use passcode, and don't use passcode again. And you can see that we're gonna press don't transfer apps and data, and that I do not have any Apple ID and stuff like that. Now I press agree here on the terms and conditions, press continue, disable location services in my case, setup later in settings in here, don't share, and continue. And welcome to iPod, get started. There we go. So now the iPod works fine, and as you can see, I'm running iOS 15. I'm gonna go here on the settings to show you exactly which iOS version it runs, and it says 15.1, iOS is up to date. So you can see that everything seems to be working fine. I'm gonna open the Books application. You can see it works, and it says get started. There you go. And yeah, you can see all the applications work, the phone works fine. I'm gonna open music, for example. Same thing in here, we press continue, and we can find music and libraries and stuff like that. And as you can see, carols and whatever. So that's good. The phone actually works fine, which is great. So that's basically it with this program. You can fix the phone using the UltFone iOS system repair. If the standard iOS repair doesn't work, you can always try the deep repair, which will remove everything on the device, but it has a bigger chance of course, getting the device to work. So yeah, that's basically it. Definitely check out their website and definitely check out their Black Friday and Thanksgiving deals, available through 9th of December. So yeah, thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.